Hey there, little explorers. Are you ready to flap your wings and fly into the colorful world of birds? Today, we are learning about 10 amazing birds and some super cool facts that will blow your feathers off. Let's go! Parrot. First up, parrots. These colorful chatterboxes can actually mimic human words. That's right, they can talk. Some parrots can learn over 100 words. Imagine a bird calling your name. Vulture. Next is the clever vulture. These big birds have an amazing sense of smell. And guess what? Vultures help clean up nature by eating dead animals, making them nature's own recyclers. Penguin. Now meet the cool kids of the bird world, penguins. They can't fly in the sky, but they are awesome swimmers. Ostrich. Time to meet the ostrich, the biggest bird in the world. Ostriches can't fly, but they can run fast. And guess what? They have the largest eyes of any land animal, with a diameter of up to 5 centimeters. Their eyes are bigger than their brains. Owl. Who goes there? It's the wise old owl. Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around, up to 270 degrees. That's like turning to look behind you, without moving your shoulders. Pigeon. Time to meet the pigeons. They were once used to carry messages during wars. Flamingo. Look at that pink bird. That's a flamingo, and it gets its color from eating shrimp and algae. Yum? Well, it works for them. Peacock. Time to shine. The peacock is famous for its giant colorful tail. But here's the twist. Only male peacocks have those feathers. Toucan. Say hello to the toucan. It has a big, bright beak that looks heavy, but it's actually super light and helps them pick fruit from trees. Woodpecker. And finally, we have the woodpecker. These birds drum on trees to find bugs and make nests. They can peck 20 times per second. And guess what? Woodpeckers have strong head muscles. Wow! Birds are awesome, aren't they? From talking parrots to pink flamingos, the sky is full of surprises. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun animal facts. See you next time. Fly high and stay curious.